While we're listening to the storm.
And we're both going to have a moderate time at the party tonight.
And we're not going to count each other's drinks.
We won't have to because we won't be drinking.
Well, it sure is fun going on a picnic, isn't it, Peter?
Yeah. Will you hold this beer bottle while I try to kick the top off it?
Ow, damn it!
You moved it.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, and they keep falling because I'm free.
Why didn't my thing stop? That's weird. What was that for? I have no idea. That was weird. That was really, really weird.
Why don't we all go ahead and
Why was that so weird?
First thing you're gonna notice.
Okay, I'm gonna go check the news and see what's going on, so I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.